Hey everyone, ready to bake something truly special today? We're diving into the delightful world of maple blueberry pie. It's a classic with a sweet, warm twist that's perfect for any occasion. Get ready to impress your taste buds and your friends. Every great pie starts with a fantastic crust. You can use your favorite homemade recipe or a good quality store-bought one. Just make sure it's chilled and ready to roll out. A flaky crust is key to pie perfection. Now for the star of the show, our incredible filling. You'll need fresh or frozen blueberries, pure maple syrup for that signature sweetness, a touch of lemon juice for brightness, and a little cornstarch to thicken it up. A pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg can add extra warmth. Combine your blueberries, maple syrup, lemon juice, and cornstarch in a large bowl. Gently toss everything together until the blueberries are evenly coated. If using frozen berries, don't thaw them first. Just mix them in. Roll out half your dough and carefully place it into your pie dish. Pour in your delicious blueberry filling. For the top, you can do a full crust, a lattice, or even fun cutouts. Seal the edges and cut a few vents if using a full top. Bake your pie at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes, then reduce the temperature to 375 degrees and continue baking for another 45 to 55 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the filling is bubbly. Let it cool completely before slicing. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.